headed downstairs to make Ryan a bottle. Don't even need an alarm clock anymore. Guess we're not taking our morning nap this morning, huh? Ryan would not go down for his morning nap, so I had to take him to the babysitters early. I'm going to just jump in the shower and I'll show you guys my morning skincare routine. First, before I get in the shower, I take off any excess makeup that I might have with our Tarte micellar water. So I just give it a little squirt on one of these little cotton pads and just remove any excess makeup that I might have on. And then once I get in the shower, I'm going to use our Deep Dive Cleansing Gel to remove anything else that I have. So now that my skin is all prepped from the shower, I'm going to first put on our Maracuja See Brighter Eye Treatment. I love this so much. This is a rich but not greasy daily eye treatment. It's going to just soothe and hydrate my under eyes because I need all the help I can get down here these days. And it's just really gonna help fight signs of aging and make my skin just look so much brighter underneath my eyes. This is just chock full of good ingredients. It is loaded with essential fatty acids, vitamin C, which again are all gonna make your under eyes look brighter. It also has a ton of antioxidants in it, which are going to help fight signs of aging. This is just like such goodness packed into one little jar. So I'm someone that has normal to combo skin. I don't think I'm super oily, but I'm not super dry, but depending on the day, I can be really oily or really dry, if that makes any sense. Anyway, this product I love, our Pore Down Tightening Treatment. This is a product that is great for normal to oily skin. And if you have oily skin, it's going to immediately absorb any excess oil. And if you have dry skin, it's going to hydrate and retexturize, get rid of any of those dead skin cells, and just give you brighter skin, which again, I need brighter skin right now. This is refreshing, it's cooling, and it's silicone-free gel formula. And let's just get to work. I'll show you exactly what it's all about. So I'm just going to dispense some into my hands. You could also put this on a cotton pad, whatever you prefer. And then since, like I said, I have combo skin, I'm really gonna focus on my T-zone, but I could put this all over, but specifically I like to focus on my T-zone. And this can be applied morning and night. And again, this is from Awake, which is now available at Ulta Beauty. I'm obsessed with this whole line of products, and I have a couple more products I'm going to show you guys from this line. Next up, the Awake Hello Sunshine Moisturizer with SPF 30, which is a huge reason why I love this so much. It smells amazing. And again, this has so many good ingredients in it that are just going to make my skin look brighter and really keep me hydrated throughout the day. This has sunflower seed oil and squalene, which is really just gonna give you that extra dose of hydration that your skin needs, especially me. I feel like my skin is going through so many different changes. And like I said, sometimes I can have a little bit of oily skin, but sometimes I can have extra dry skin. So this is just something that's great for all skin types, and I personally love it. And you want to apply this on a clean face or after you've used a serum, which is like what I just did. But this is great to incorporate into your daily routine, especially before you do a makeup look. This is great because again, it has that SPF. Next up, we have our Dream Dewdrops from Awake, and this is a silky pearlescent formula. It's just going to enhance your natural glow, but also treat your skin at the same time. Oh, I love this. And all skin types will love this formula in different ways. If you have oily skin, you could wear this alone. If you have normal to combination skin, you could pair this with your favorite moisturizer, which is what I'm doing. And honestly, like another thing I love about this, I like to use this as a primer or mix in with my foundation. This is just going to give me that natural glow and great for when I have those no makeup days, which I have very often. Okay, this next product is literally for everyone because it's that good. This is our Lip Therapy Mask from Awake. I cannot tell you how long I've been waiting for this product to come out. It is so good. It has this concentrated oil blend with oils of like olive oil, raspberry oil, argan oil. It is literally a dream for your lips. So good. And you could wear this in the morning, at night, whenever your lips need that extra hydration. I put this on morning and night. When I put this on at night, I wake up and I can still feel my lips so hydrated. It's that good, you guys. obsessed with this. And that is my morning skincare routine. It's super simple, just a couple steps, and granted, there are definitely days where I don't even have time for one of these steps, but if you do have time, this is what I like to do, and I feel like I can go out of the house right now without having makeup on because I just feel like I have a natural glow about me thanks to these products. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Let me know in the comments down below if you have any questions at all. Make sure you're subscribed to our channel and that you have that notification bell turned on so that you know when a video goes live. If you guys have any questions, like I said, just leave them down below, and I'll see you guys later. Bye, tartlets.